population. Now coming back to this group of the church. We have created, actually it was the church that brought about education, that brought about light to the island of Borneo, which we enjoy. And we want to thank the past, and we wish the church to carry on to do its social concern.
Why you are asking for 5% oil royalty and talking about 20% oil royalty? Imagine your house, you rent, someone else rent it out, and you ask for 5% rental. Your house, you're asking someone else who rented out your house for 5% rentals. Even though that agreement is 50 years old, but you haven't signed any new one. Does it mean that after 50 years that agreement no longer valid? Then in that case, I will rent a house from you. After 50 years, that house belongs to me. That's very good, very good deal. So, the 22nd of July Sarat there, apart from the financial implication, is religious freedoms and a moderate society. A moderate society that will sign up in the agreement. That including no voodoo law, no any extreme means in the religions.